Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Channel. Today we're discussing the best affordable laptops for nursing students. With the increase in online courses and education, most students have to use laptops for education and schooling purposes. As a nurse practitioner, you will be spending most of your time in the hospital or treating patients and experiencing practical knowledge. But as a student, you need to learn the theory part also. So, in that situation, it will not be possible for you to carry all the notes into the hospital. Having a laptop will allow you to read during your free time in the hospital and at home during such situations. You will have a proper continuity that will allow you to learn without missing anything. And you can also share your notes with your friends. This laptop will allow you to learn more about the subject, both theoretically and practically. Having your laptop with you in the hospital will enable you to refer to the matter in case of doubts and read them efficiently. So, as a nurse practitioner, having a laptop is essential for you. You cannot just go out and purchase a laptop for a special price because there are certain features that you need to consider before buying a laptop. The laptops for the nurse practitioner should be portable, compact, and have a clear screen. You need to consider other features before purchasing a new laptop, including their style and design. Let us now see your requirements and how to choose a model that would meet them in detail. Select a brand. When you are trying to purchase a laptop, the first thing you have to consider is the brand. The laptop brand is essential as they determine the laptop's quality and how the laptop service will be in the future. For example, when you are purchasing a laptop from an unknown brand and if it breaks down in the middle, then the only option is to consult a computer repair center rather than go to the brand service center. Also, so the laptop will be made up of several parts that are not available to the public. The company will reserve certain features and only they can produce that. So while purchasing a laptop, when you try to get it from a good quality brand, you can enjoy continuous service center service. Certain brands like HP and Dell have created a popular name among the clients because of their quality product. So when you try to purchase a product from this particular brand, you can be sure about the quality without any doubts. Prepare a budget. As a nurse practitioner, you will have a minimal budget for purchasing the laptop. The laptop's requirement is also limited as you need it for studies and typing lesson plans. You can also use the laptop to conduct some video conferences and to prepare presentations. So basically, you need a laptop with an operating system and integrated MS Office software. Besides a few entertainment software and video chats related software, there is nothing heavy you will be using on the laptop. So the budget of the laptop can be limited to an amount of Rs 30,000 to 35,000. This budget is more than enough for your requirement. You can try to purchase the laptop for a lower price, but the processor speed and RAM configuration will not be satisfactory. So buying a laptop for this budget will be suitable for you. Most of the laptops that come with this particular price range will not have touchscreen technology and they will have all the other basic features. From the processor to the audio system, every laptop feature will be standard without any extravagant features. But the laptop will serve its purpose efficiently. Most of the students worldwide prefer using three basic model laptops as they have no use for an i7 processor or RAM with 16 GB storage space. Unless you have some other professional requirement for your laptop, there is no need for you to purchase the advanced feature models. Size and screen. The next important concept that needs to be considered is the size of the screen you are purchasing. As a nursing student, you will have the requirement to work in hospitals. So having a laptop with a large screen size will be impossible for you to carry in such a situation. Also, while taking a rest, you will not be having a separate room or a comfortable space. So having a small screen size laptop will allow you to open them and start learning everywhere. The laptop screen size should be portable and thin. So it would be impossible for you to purchase a laptop with a screen size of 15 or more. So go for a laptop with an average screen size of 14 inches or less so that you can place them within your bag and carry them everywhere. Since the screen size is small, it would be impossible for you to view multiple files at the same time. So try to purchase a laptop with a fair resolution that allows you to view the details. The resolution should be of high definition quality with 720 pixel clarity. The color of the screen should be accurate and the brightness of the laptop should be adjustable. You do not need a resolution more than that because you will be using a laptop for studying and not graphic designing. Since you are purchasing a low size screen, try to buy a thin model laptop that will allow you to carry them everywhere. Processor. If you have not heard anything about the term processor, you might be comfortable using the term CPU, otherwise known as the Central Processing Unit. The processor is the advanced version of CPU that is used within the laptop to process the input and output that allows the laptop to function correctly. The processor will process every command you give on the laptop before execution. So when you try to open a file, the processor should process it before implementation. Having a good quality and modern technology processor will allow you to respond from the software quickly. The speed of the laptop will be good. Going on for a 5 or i7 processor will not be necessary as they are used for most advanced laptops like gaming model and animation. For your requirement, the Intel Core processor i3 or any other Intel processor will be sufficient. You can also choose a laptop with the AMD Ryzen processor. The Ryzen Model 3 and 5 are good. When you are purchasing a laptop, you have to look for the processor's model and number of cores it has. Buying a dual or quad core laptop will be suitable since they create a different environment for every program. Hence, you can run multiple programs at the same time without any interruption. RAM. The random access memory is a comment that you need to look for in mobile phones and laptop. Most of the mobile phones nowadays come along with 1 or 2 GB RAM. The difference between the two is impeccable. You can note that the model with 2 GB RAM has good speed and immediate opening of the software when clock upon. Similarly, when you are purchasing a laptop, the RAM plays an important role in moving between the software, performing activities on a tool, and expecting output from a software. Having a 2 GB RAM will be sufficient for basic training, but it would be much better to go for a 4 GB RAM for boosting experience. This RAM will allow you to experience a good speed on the laptop and you can load the data at a faster rate. When you purchase a laptop, all the features should be good. Combining a good RAM with a lousy quality processor will not show efficiency or speed in the final output. So when you are purchasing, make sure that the computing speed of both processor and the RAM match each other perfectly. Good quality keyboard. If you are going to purchase a small size laptop, the keyboard size will also be small. This size in turn will reduce the quality of the keyboard. Typing in a very small keyboard will not be comfortable, so try to purchase a screen size of 14 inches so that the keyboard size will also be good. This size in turn will allow you to enjoy a good quality keyboard which is essential for all the students, including nurses. You can type your notes easily using this keyboard and work for longer hours without any cramps. Like the function keys and control keys, the keyboard keys will be near each other, allowing you to reach them easily. So purchase a good quality keyboard, like the one with feather touch technology for faster and carefree typing. Some backlit keyboard models will allow you to type at night freely. If interested, you can purchase them for comfortable typing at night without any interruption. But they are a bit costlier and purchase only if necessary. Storage. From the software to the operating system, all the administrative details are stored in the drive. Usually, the drives will be partitioned to provide one separate drive for administration purpose, while the rest is used for storage purposes. Even though you use the laptop for professional purposes, some entertainment related items will be stored on the laptop. For example, you will have all your photo albums stored in it and some movies and songs for entertainment. Men usually prefer installing some regular games for entertainment purposes. So, either way, you need a good amount of space for saving these items on your laptop. The storage space of the laptop should at least be 250 GB to 500 GB. This drive will allow you to store some extra stuff on the laptop. But if you want to store the professional stuff alone, then having a 120 GB laptop will be enough for your requirement. Now that we have cleared the air about storage capacity, let us see about the storage type. There are two drives in the market called the SSD and HDD. While the SSD is well known for data safety, the HDD is well known for its storage capacity. Both have the same number of advantages and disadvantages. If you are looking for a fast laptop, then go for an SSD as they have good accessing speed. They are comparatively faster than an HDD. So choose the best option in the market. Is portability important? As a nurse practitioner, you will be working on a shift in some of the country's best hospitals. So having good portability is important. The laptop you are buying should be thin with less weight. This low weight will allow you to carry them everywhere. So buy a laptop with good portability. The battery of the laptop you are purchasing should last for a good period. This weight will allow you to work freely without worrying about charging it. Carrying a charger will make it difficult to carry around. So try to purchase a model that can charge fast like a 60-watt charger. So for having efficient portability, having a good quality battery is essential. When you share your notes with your friends, you cannot use a pen drive every time. Having Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection will allow you to transfer the files directly between the laptops or any device with a Bluetooth connection. Along with these features, having a good quality web camera and audio system will allow you to have chats with your family. You can watch occasional movies and make your free time happy. As a nurse, you will be carrying your laptop everywhere, so try to purchase them in a color that will blend with the environment. Neutral colors like black and white are suitable. Remember, the colors should not attract unwanted attention. Understanding your difficulty in choosing a perfect model, we have researched the market and chosen some of the best laptops to meet up with your requirement. So if you are interested, you can choose from our selection criteria. You can order this laptop through online mediums like the Amazon. If you want to decide by yourself, then start by selecting a brand and then go for the models present in that brand. This will make the process of purchasing easier. The budget and brand will allow you to make the choices easier. You can choose the perfect brand. Best International Edition laptops are Acer 14-inch FHD IPS display Chromebook Holiday Bundle. Description: Processor: Intel Celeron processor, 4 GB RAM, 32 GB SSD. Chrome OS, 14 inches screen width. Extra features: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth webcam, HDMI, and wireless mouse. Chewy Lapbook Pro 14.1-inch Windows 10 laptop. Description: Processor: Intel Gemini Lake processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 14.1 inches screen width. Extra features: support Linux 4K, BT 4.0, dual Wi-Fi. Newest HP 14-inch HD WLED backlit high-performance business laptop. Description: Processor: AMD Athlon processor, 4 GB RAM, 128 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches screen width. Extra features: wireless AC, HDMI, Bluetooth webcam, SD card reader. Lenovo IdeaPad S150 laptop. Description: AMD A6 processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB HDD, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches, extra features: HDMI, card reader, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. 2020 Lenovo IdeaPad laptop computer. Description: AMD Radeon processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB HDD, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches, extra features: Wi-Fi with Microsoft Office 365. Best Indian edition laptops are Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i Intel Core i3 10th generation laptop. Description: Processor: Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB RAM, 1 TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, screen width 15.6 inches, extra features: platinum grey color with thin technology. Dell Inspiron 3493 14-inch HD laptop. Description: Intel Core i3 processor, 4 GB RAM, 1 TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches screen width, extra features: MS Office with silver color. HP Chromebook. Description: Intel Celeron processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB SSD plus 256 GB HDD, Chrome OS, screen width 14 inches, extra features: thin and light model. Lenovo A2C7A0061H B15 ADA laptop. Description: Processor: AMD Athlon processor, 4 GB RAM, disk drive 1 TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen width, extra features: integrated AMD Radeon graphics. Acer 1 Intel Pentium Gold. Description: Processor: Intel Pentium Gold, 4 GB RAM, 1 TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 14 inches screen width, extra features: integrated graphic with weight of 1.8 kg. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Broadhat channel.